In RP Data, you can efficiently track all properties, including those with different statuses, like for sale, for rent, aged listings, withdrawn listings, and tenure, by utilizing the property status filter. To begin, initiate a broad search, such as a street or suburb, that will yield multiple results. At the top of the screen, just below the search bar, locate and click on the blue Property Status Filter dropdown. By default, all properties will be selected. Next, click on the drop-down menu and choose from the options like sales, for sale, for rent, aged listings, withdrawn listings, and tenure to filter properties within your search results based on their current status. These filters default to displaying recent sales and listings, but you can adjust the date ranges to target different properties according to your preferences. Furthermore, from this interface, you can generate multi-property reports, providing comprehensive insights into the real estate market. And that's how you effectively utilize the property status filter in RP Data.